For making this cereal, first of all, I'm going to use this palm jaggery. So this is an optional step, but at my hometown in Kerala in South India, this is how we make cereal. So I'm going to grate this palm jaggery, which is not the regular jaggery. This jaggery is considered to be very nutritious for baby, so adding this to the cereal, it makes it sweet, healthy and very acceptable for the baby. But we can totally make the cereal without adding this jaggery as well. So here I'm going to take a little jaggery, grated jaggery, and heat it in little water in a pan until it completely dissolves, and then keep it aside to cool off, and then I strain it to remove any impurities and keep it aside. Now I'm going to add about a cup of filter water and boil it on high flame for 5 minutes. To sterilize the water, since it is for baby, this is a very important step. So after 5 minutes, just put it on low flame. Meanwhile, I am going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice powder and mix it in little water to make it into a lump-free paste. And then I add it to the boiled water, and on medium to low flame, I keep on stirring it. So this prepared rice paste, when added to the boiled water, will make sure that the cereal will be lump-free and soft. But we must keep on stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadhai or the pan until it becomes thick and cooked. And then I add the prepared jaggery water to it, mix well and put off the flame, let it cool, and then I transfer everything into my silver bowl, and that's it. My rice cereal is ready to serve. But this cereal, it can be also thinned by adding milk to it. For making poha cereal, the method is same as I did with the rice cereal. Boil the water for 5 minutes to sterilize it, and then I will lower the flame. Meanwhile, I add a tablespoon of poha powder and add water into it little by little and mix it up until it becomes a paste. And then I add this to the boiled water, and on medium to low flame I keep on stirring it till it becomes little thick and cooked. So my poha cereal is cooked. Now I put off the flame and I allow it to cool off. So we can serve the poha cereal to the baby right away, but we can make it more nutritious, yummy and creamy by adding milk and jaggery water to it till it reaches the desired consistency. So I am going to add little prepared infant milk and little jaggery water to it and mix well. And that's it, my sweet and healthy poha cereal is ready to serve. Serve it with love. Next is koi cereal. It's a type of puff rice. So again the method is same. But here we can add the koi powder directly to the boiled water and then strain it later on. But anyways, I am going to just take 1 tablespoon of koi powder and add water little by little and mix it up until it won't become a paste, but it will become little soft. And then I will add it to the boiled water which I have boiled for 5 minutes. And then on medium to low flame, I keep on stirring it until it becomes little thicker and it cooks. It cooks well. It is usually in a thinner consistency, and then I will put off the flame, let it cool, and then I will strain it to remove any lumps, but they will be very soft, so it should be okay for the baby. But anyway, I will strain it, and then I add the milk and jaggery to it to make it more yummy and nutritious. And that's it, my koi cereal is ready to serve. Similarly, I'm going to make the quinoa cereal. Next is preferred cereal recipe, and it's again the same method. To make the oats cereal, we can use the same method as we did with the other cereals, but we can also do like this. Just put the oats powder directly into the boil water, and when it gets cooked, it becomes soft. So since we are making it for the baby, to make it more softer, we can with the back of the spoon just press it and make it more soft and smooth and pasty, so that it will be easy for the baby to swallow it properly. And then the rest will be the same process to make the oat cereal more nutritious and yummy by adding the milk and the jaggery water. I'm going to repeat the same method for making this nutritious yummy ragi cereal as well.